everybody, I'm back for another little adventure. It is Saturday morning here in Hua Hin, Thailand. I'm on my way to Macro grocery store to get some grocery shopping for the week. And I thought I'd stop by the Marriott Beach Resort and check it out. We were here at Thanksgiving for Thanksgiving dinner, so we've only seen it at night. So I thought I'd stop by on the way to the store and check it out in the daytime. Check out the hotel, the pools, walk by the restaurants and see what the beach access is and check it out. Now the Marriott Beach Resort is right on Pet Kasem Road. It's the main road here in Hua Hin, Thailand. Down here you can see Market Village. Done a few videos over there. It's a great mall. But let's walk around the main street here and get to the entrance of the Marriott. Now it is a Saturday down here and it's always busy. Marriott. Elephant bushes. Check-in desk here. Coffee shop, restaurant. Beautiful grounds. We're back in a restaurant and bar. So you can come out here and enjoy your lunch or dinner, I guess. Bar, drinks. Rooms with balconies overlooking the ocean. Let's take the stairs and go to below and check it out. It's like they have a wraparound pool, almost like a lazy river type thing. Goes around the rooms. These rooms have steps that goes up to little private patios into your room from the pool. That is really cool. Yeah, this pool goes around. Each room has its own steps on the private patio to the pool. Continues under this bridge over here. Super, super cool. Now this side of the resort's the same thing, to swim up to your room. That is really cool. Now there's a pool back here behind these bushes.
Okay, let's go.
It's your towels. Private adult pool, no kids splashing around making noise. Lounges in the water. Absolutely gorgeous. Now going from the adult pool, keep heading towards the beach area. Now that restaurant up here is where we had Thanksgiving dinner with our good friends. It was really nice. And this pool continues around here. And here they got a water slide. Super fun for the kids. Looks like a little water playground. Places to play, get in the water, swings. And yet another pool. Now this looks like everybody's welcome to this pool. Buttercup. Kids Club. It's awesome. They got kids activities and adult activities. A bar and kids club. Beach access. Let's go check it out.
This way, room number. Hello, room number.
Down at the beach. Now this is the front of the Marriott, which is beach access. Now I'm going to walk up the beach here. Looks like there's a lot of umbrellas and restaurants and things, so I thought I'd go check it out. Looks like there's a lot of water sport activity here. Banana boats, jet skis, sea-doos, that kind of thing. So let's go check it out. Let's walk from the beach here. Oh, the water's nice. Water is so calm here. It's so different than a lot of beaches I've seen around the world in Mexico and United States, Hawaii. This is really calm. It's like these youngsters are going banana boating. A lot of people here. What a great beach to enjoy the ocean without getting knocked over by waves and things. Look at that. And the water's really clear. Beautiful. There goes the Sea-Doo pulling the banana boat with all those guys we just saw. Now up here we got the Veranda Lodge. That's a smaller little hotel, restaurant. Now this beach access right here is right down from where I parked. So I'm gonna walk back that way, and I'll put a map to how you access this part of the beach from downtown off Petkasem Road. It's got stairs, a little restaurant service. Now you do rent the beach lounges, umbrellas. Sign says 100 baht from 8:30 until 10 with food and beverage service, which is really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that visit to the Marriott Hua Hin Beach Resort tour down to the beach. Now the beach access that I came back from is right down there. And like I said, I'll put that on the map link to you. Hope you enjoyed it. I will keep doing these. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Hit that little button right there with Jamie and I's picture on it to subscribe. Thank you very much.